Alright guys, so that's the console of BMW X7. So let's check. We have two screws inside right here. Also we have, I took these covers out, it's right there, the black one. So we have 1, 2 and 3, so that's 2 bolts and 1 nut here, and same as well, 2 bolts here and 1 nut there. These are not coming out. I think this is a part of this cover, so this is a part of a console. So let's take these ones, and also let's take this out and see what happens. Okay. I have to take this out. Alright guys, so after taking these screws out, we have the same 2 screws here and on the other side. You're just pulling this out like this, and that's it. We got that panel out, so we have to take all the connectors out. That's it. Probably we'll have to remove this thing. After you remove these screws, we have leftover here inside, I think somewhere. Let's remove this one. Yeah, here we go. We have here inside another 2 screws. Check this one. No. no more screws. All right, let's close this one here and let's pull this out. Here we go. Got out huge. Alright. That's it. Okay, after we remove this, we remove all the clips. Remove all the clips and wires in the front. We have leftover here in the back, right here. Alright guys, so this is we got the console out. As you see here, that's the connector which has to be here left over, and same we have in the front here. This is the airbag module, and this is probably the Bluetooth receiver and radio, blah 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 blah. That's it, we got a console out. Alright guys, that was mechanic mode, and that was the X7 2020 BMW X7. Video helped you, then give this video a thumbs up. If you're first time on my channel, then give my channel subscribe. Why not? Because you know I'm always posting new and cool videos about fixing cars. So everyone, goodbye, see you next time.